Hi, I'm Mike, and today we're going to be installing a light fixture on this bathroom wall. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. So I've got a bathroom light fixture here, and the bracket that holds it has two little studs that come out, and the fixture slides over these studs, and then little caps, decorative caps, screw onto these studs and hold it in place. Now, wouldn't you know it, that these studs are in exactly the right position that I need them to be to secure this bracket to the wall. So I need to find another means, and I think I can move this a little bit one way or the other and have it work for me. The problem is these studs have to be level. So let me see if I can snug these in a little bit. Not too tight, because I know I'm going to have to move it. So let's see here. They look like they're off center a little bit, but they're not. They're just, these nuts are a little bit loose. And that's okay. Let me see if I can get that to grab. So that's not bad. I just need to make sure that these studs are level, and damn, they look awfully good. See, they look like they're loose, but these nuts, like I said, they're a little bit loose. So I just need to tighten those up. Check to make the wire, make sure the electricity is off, and it is. So now I need about 3 hands to wire this thing together. So here is the ground coming out of a pigtail. These are all pigtailed in. There's the hots, and here's the neutrals. So I just need to add those from the fixture. And I'm going to connect this one to this ground screw. In fact, why don't I do that now? Okay, so I've got some connections to make here. And here comes the black. Get that nice and tight. And that's not going anywhere. I'm trying to push these back in a little bit. They're not all the way in because I've got the cover that you can see. This cover is about 1 inch thick. It's going to pop out. I need to make the neutral connection. Choose the white. Again, try to get them fairly close in there. Now I want to see how close I'm going to be with these nuts. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, so as you can see, I've got a little bit of play here. I think that's going to be all right once I get it on. There's a whole bunch of adjustments I can make on this. Left, right, up, down, swing. So this will be the easiest light fixture installation in my life, I think, if it goes together like I'm hoping. You know, I think that's level. I had to get a level and check it out. Okay, so what I did is I took off this little retainer ring, which is going to have to come off of all of them. I took it off of this one. And this decorative piece goes there. The glass goes behind that one. And then the retaining ring goes on to hold the whole works together. Finding gravity here, I finally got it. Okay, so there's one. I got 2 more to do. And then I'll stick the light bulbs in. Okay, the light fixture's in. Let's hit the lights. And they're kind of ambery bulbs. I don't know. All I can say is it's level and it works. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.